This is the Glide Gear POV 100 adjustable helmet camera mount rig. It is awesome, and it comes in two different sizes so that you can get the size that is appropriate for your noggin. It is also incredibly cost effective at only $250 with free shipping. That is 1/6 the cost of Tilta's $1,500 competitor, which makes it an incredible value. Glide Gear did send this out to me upon my request for $0, but I can tell you I put this thing through the ringer for the past 2 months. I use it on 2 different professional TV commercial shoots, including one where I jumped a side-by-side with the camera strapped to this rig. I've also produced several pieces of YouTube content, including doing donuts in the brand new GMC Canyon for our automotive enthusiast channel, GT Premium Reviews. I've had it out in the rain, I've had it in the dust, in the dirt. It's not really a GoPro competitor, it's more of a cinema camera competitor because we can get some shallow depth of field. We can shoot in log format. We can completely control our exposure triangle and get the motion blur that we want. None of the adjustments or teeth or screws or mounting points have come loose, failed, slipped, nothing. Everything is still nice, tight, stable, and steady. The counterbalance weights work very well for my particular setup, which is a Fujifilm X-T4 and a 9mm zero distortion super wide angle lens. I'll drop a link for that down below because I do recommend trying to use something as wide as you can if you want it to actually look like a first person shot, and having a zero distortion lens makes that even more realistic. Around the helmet, you also have other 1/4-20 mounting points, both male and female. So you can, if you want, like I do, because I do crazy stuff with this, like jumping a side-by-side with a helmet on, I will actually mount my X-T4 in a cage so that I can have a second mounting point and triangulate the mounts. So I have one on the bottom, one on the side, or one on the bottom and one on the top at an angle, so that I can completely eliminate any swivel that may occur during extreme scenarios. Excellent that you get these extra mounting options. That also gives you spots for mics, lights, whatever you want to put up there. My recommendation is to run the lightest rig you possibly can, stick it on manual focus, land your focus where you want it to be, and then add the appropriate amount of counterweight discs. For me, I used all the counterweight discs as I have mine set up. Is it so comfortable I can wear it all day long? No, it's not. It's a big, heavy camera rig on my head. Is it comfortable enough for me to use it for a couple of hours to get the shots that I need without just being terrible? Yes, absolutely. It has an adjustable chin strap and adjustable neck strap at the back as well. Between that and balancing it correctly, it's not going to be sliding all over your head, giving you the ability to get nice, fluid, smooth, lifelike motion. There are several ways that you can adjust this mount. The first way to adjust it is to use these 2 screws on the side and move the entire mounting system forwards or backwards to bring the entire camera kit closer or farther away from your face. As you can see here, it also comes with some cold shoe mounts for accessories. I've already got those on the side. You have a wing nut that has this plastic around it to make it nice and comfortable to operate with your bare hands so that you can adjust the pivot on the arm. And then you have one more set of wing nuts so that you can adjust the tilt of your camera. And there is quite a bit of side-to-side latitude that you get with the 1/4-20 screw in the actual mounting point. That is very beneficial because that allows pretty much any camera system that will actually fit on this to be able to scoot the camera left and right and actually get that lens dead center on your head. Do I think this is worth $250? Absolutely, especially for what I'm using it for. I love it. My clients haven't seen anything like it in my local market. It really elevates what you can do with a small crew, a small camera, and even a small budget. Links for everything will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please drop a like if you liked it, and have a great day.